Are you feeling nervous when speaking a foreign language, especially in front of an audience? Well, you are not alone. Today, I will be sharing 3 confidence booster tips which will allow you to shine in your next presentation, regardless of the language. First up, power phrases. These are simple go-to sentences you can rely on to buy yourself some time or emphasize key points. For example, let me explain that in more detail. Or, one important takeaway is practicing these phrases in your target language makes them second nature, giving you a moment to gather your thoughts while staying composed. Second, focus on nailing your opening and closing. The beginning and end of your presentation leave the strongest impressions. Start with confident greetings, like "Good morning, everyone," and end with a clear call to action or memorable line. Practicing these parts will give you an anchor of confidence for the whole talk. Finally, breathe and pause. When nerves kick in, it's easy to rush. Instead, take a deep breath before you speak. And don't be afraid of short pauses. Pausing helps you appear more confident, gives the audience time to absorb your words, and ensures you can think clearly in your second language. And there you have it. 3 quick ways to boost your confidence when speaking a foreign language. Remember, confidence grows with practice. So try these tips and see the difference. And if you'd like more strategies like this, hit subscribe and join me for the next video. You've got this.